welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to color strawberry. Strawberry is very tasty fruit. You should eat every day. Strawberry is available in winter season. Let's color. First, I am going to color the skin of a strawberry red color.
Hello, Amira.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
I am good.
Wow, you are doing so good coloring. I saw you are doing a strawberry today.
Yes.
I like strawberries so much. Do you also like the strawberries, Amira?
Yes.
I like the strawberry fruit. It comes in the winter season. I know it. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. And you are also looking so beautiful today.
Thank you.
Okay. So I was going to ask you to come and play with me.
Okay.
When are you going to play with me?
Later.
Okay. Finish your coloring of strawberry and then we can play together. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. A handshake?
Yeah, sure. Hey, leave my hand, you naughty girl. She is very naughty girl, but she is very sweet and I like her coloring so much. So don't forget to share and like her video. Bye bye.
Not share and like, share and subscribe.
Okay, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye, Amira.
Bye bye.
Wow, this strawberry is very cool, Amira.
Yes.
This strawberry knows how to ride what is that? A scooter or a cycle?
It's a skateboard.
Oh, yes, silly me.
I also have a skateboard, but I don't know how to ride it.
Okay, you will learn it, but you have to do the practice.
Okay.
This strawberry is doing a practice. That's why he knows how to ride a skateboard.
Yes.
Wow, this strawberry is very looking handsome.
He is balanced.
Yes, he's very balanced on the skateboard because he did a very good practice.
So guys, I'm done with red color. Now let's color X color, green color to the leaves. Now let's color her hand and legs skin color. So guys, I'm done with hands and legs. Now let's color the skateboard orange. So guys, I'm done with orange color. Now let's color the board light purple. So guys, I'm done with light purple. Now let's color the wheels light gray. So guys, I'm done with light gray. Now let's color her shoes green and pink. you like my coloring video, hit the like button. Like, share, subscribe. Bye. I will also practice skateboard like strawberry. Bye.
Wow, Amira, you did a very good job. And look at this strawberry. It is so cool. And I like the glasses. Wow. I also want the glasses like this. So beautiful.
I will give you in your birthday.
Oh, on my birthday. Wow, thank you so much. Bye bye.